Badangdang kami.
Magandang gabi.
Bangandang gading.
Gabi.
Gabin. Bagandang gabin. Hello and good afternoon. Today is a Sunday night and we are here next to our house where there's a whole street activity happening. There's a lot of food, there's a lot of things, and I'm hungry. Gigi, what do you think?
Okay, let's go get some barbecue.
Let's go get some barbecue? Okay, I like the way you're thinking, Gigi. Okay, you lead the way, because I don't know what to do.
Well, surprisingly, while you were getting ready, I found ourselves a table, so now all we have to do is get a menu and order.
Okay. Where do you want to get the food though? From here, where these people are?
Yeah, from here.
Or from there, where all the other people are?
From here.
From here?
Yeah.
Okay, did you see what they have on the menu?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
Okay, let's order something. Do you have pork options?
Pork?
Yeah. What kind of meat is it?
Pork barbecue, pork liempo,
Yeah. That is like liver. Okay, can I have one squid? Some, like, how much is that one? 22. Two of these. One of squid. And two of these.
two liempo.
Yeah. And this thing.
Pork barbecue,
Okay, let's see. What is this?
chicken barbecue,
Chicken barbecue. Two of these two. And what kind of rice do you have? White rice and yellow rice?
white rice.
White rice. So two white rice. Do I pay now or when you come there? After.
Can I get your name, ma'am?
Sorry?
Can I get your name?
Gigi.
Chichi.
G-I-G-I.
Gigi.
Nice.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see if Michael is gonna like what we got for him. I'm very curious. He's waiting here patiently for me.
Yes, and I'm looking forward to get the food because I'm hungry. And time to get some lubrication for the food as well. Do you have some beer? Yes, you do. Can I get 2 Red Horse, please? Yes, thank you. Perfect. Perfect lubrication for barbecue. Two.
You need ice?
No ice, thank you. It's like this.
No.
Open, open. Is it?
No.
Okay, ice. Then ice.
Ay, doon naman sila, Kim. Doon na kayo, Kim. Doon na sila bigyan yelo.
Thank you.
Doon na lang po bayad doon. Doon na lang po yung bayad.
I don't understand.
Ay.
Hindi niya maintindihan. Hindi niya maintindihan.
It's okay. No ice. Good.
Hey, shout out.
Yay! Nice people. Okay. I don't understand what's happening, but well. In the meantime, let me get the beer to Gigi. There you go. Here.
Yelo daw yan sila.
Far away, sir. Far away.
That one. Okay, so finally I understood what the lady was saying. Because she doesn't have a license to serve alcohol here, we have to do it like this. We have to put everything inside the pitcher and drink the beer incognito because otherwise she gets in trouble.
That's one way of doing it.
Okay. This is the local way apparently, and this is totally not beer here in this pitcher. This is just fun apple juice. So let me hide these things. Gigi, Shall I interest you in some fun apple juice? Okay. You have a big tall glass of fun apple juice.
This looks like fun.
Okay. Cheers, Gigi. Apple juice. Bordeaux. Very good. Gigi, look at this food. Oh my god, that's a lot of food.
Oh my goodness, thank you. The
I don't know what to
squid
say.
has something like cabbage inside, I
Yes.
think.
And then we have some sticks of sausage and some, I don't know, meat and some other questionable meat.
And this is some pork meat, like grilled meat. You can find everything, like they will grill it for you.
Okay. What shall we start with, Gigi?
I don't know, whatever you want.
I want to start with the squid because this squid looks amazing and I've been drooling over it. And I will take the tip. The most amazing squid I've ever had. Really.
I can try this now for you guys, especially for you, trying for the first time the barbecue here in the Philippines. It's good. Unsurprising.
And now for the sausage. Good sausage. Very good.
So we have a feast here nearby the University Streets in Manila, near the Espana Street. There's a lot of barbecue, and what we have here on the table is some sausage and squid and some barbecue pork and chicken as well. We have a vinegar sauce here, and I'm gonna try this piece here for you to see how it tastes like.
Like what, did you?
That's squid.
Like squid? How's the feeling?
So-so.
With the squid?
Decent, I like this more.
You like that more? Okay. Me, personally, I like the squid more. But, well, then that's just me. I can give you a tip. If the rice is too bland for you, you can take the sauce. You can put some on top. And then, paired together with this thing, the sauce and the rice. Amazing. It's the best combination because the sauce is a little bit sweet and the rice is very good in this combination with the sauce. And still, I have no idea what this kind of meat is, but oh man, it's good. Very good. Good choice, Gigi. Very good choice for the food this evening.
I happy to like it. Do you go to school?
No.
No.
You like school?
I love school.
Do you like school too?
Yes. I think that's the best thing. Like if you can go to school, that's perfect.
No bad certificate.
No certificate, no bad. You just go to school a few years, you make friends, you learn English more, speak more English, meet new people. It's fun. How old are you?
11.
11. If you go to school, when you're big, when you grow up, you're gonna give one to someone else. This is for you. You wanna eat now? No?
Thank you so much.
No worries. It's okay. Bye. Go to school, okay? Promise me. Promise? Promise? Promise. Okay. Bye.
Oh man, Gigi, we are so lucky that we moved to this area because it's so lively and it's full of people. And you have a ton of options to eat around here.
Yes.
This is the perfect neighborhood that we can move in, right, Gigi?
I think so. Like there are more neighborhoods around Manila, but this one is full of young people and students.
Okay. Unfortunately, I'm still hungry because you ate all my chicken. And now we have to go and find something more because we have arrived to a shawarma place. Perfect, because you never know what's inside the shawarma. Regular?
Regular.
Okay, 2 regular please. 2 regular. Yes, thank you.
Today morning I was looking for shawarma, I didn't find it. And I was like walking around. And then I said, okay, finally, no problem, maybe we find it in the evening, you know? And now we came and now we found it. I want to go to Intramuros, I want to go to Ermita, the one is, yeah, I want to visit Ermita, I want to visit BCG, and Makati maybe, Pasay, and maybe after Manila, visit the country a little bit. And I don't know. Boracay? Do you like Boracay?
We go to there.
It would be nice to visit. Do you like it?
Very nice to swim.
Very nice swim. Have you ever been there?
Very far, ma'am.
Very far. Very far.
Very far there.
Yeah. Only fly, right? Airplane. By plane. So do you think it's a different kind of shawarma than what you have tasted before? I mean, all of us know how popular shawarma is, right?
You should be the judge of that, Gigi.
I like the first side. It's a small size. The first small size, like maybe 12, 15 centimeters, let's say. Has minced meat inside and cheese and mayo. Best time to eat. I think so. In the Philippines. That's pretty good. I like it.
Delicious, mommy.
It's delicious. Delicious.
Super deliciousness.
I like it.
This is the perfect snack.
Mom, you know, speak Tagalog there in the Philippines.
Tagalog? We don't speak. Don't speak.
English only.
Yeah.
We've been in the Philippines only for the past 1 week now. Only 1 week.
Only 1 week.
So slowly, maybe we learn a little bit Tagalog along the way. So far, I only know to say salamat.
Salamat.
Thank you. Yes, salamat. Yes. Hey, salamat for the shawarma.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Good evening.
Good evening. How do you say good evening?
Good evening. Magandang gabi.
Badangdang kami.
Magandang gabi.
Bangganang gading.
Gabi.
Gabin. Bagandang gabin.
Magandang gabi.
Bangandang gabin, Gigi.
Salamat.
Very good. Magandan maga.
Maganda umaga.
Magandan daw baga.
Morning, in the morning.
In the morning. Okay. So here is now Bagandang gamin. Hey, I remember. I actually wanted to go around and get some more food, but I don't think it fits anymore. So I think it's time to say goodbye. And I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to share, subscribe.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, do as Michael told you. Share, subscribe, like, comment, share.
Share the love and all the love from us to you.
So we can understand that you want more food reactions from us.
Salamat, my friends. Banganding dadang be.